friends, today I will tell you about Python. Python is a high-level programming language invented by Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands. Now I will tell you how to install Python on Windows operating system. First we have to go on the site www.python.org and download it. I will show how to download it. First you have to go on Google and then write www.python.org. Enter. You will get a screen like this. If you get, so we have to go on downloads and you will get the latest version here 3.10.0. You can download any version, but I recommend to download the latest version because it has the latest feature. So I will download now 3.10.0. Now it is downloaded, so I will click on show in folder and double click on Python 3.10.0 and I will do install now. Yes, and the Python 3.10.0 is now installing. Its all packages are installing. Now the Python setup was successfully downloaded. Now I have to go on start and search for Python. Here is Python 3.10. Now I have to go on idle Python shell. After going here, you will see a screen like this. If it has 3 greater than signs, it means you are at the right place. Now I will go back to my PPT and see a command. Now I will try my first command, print welcome to Python world. Now I will do print welcome to Python world. See, this command is successfully working. So I will see you in next video. Bye. Thank you.